And then you came back, you received Heroes Welcome, and straight away you went to an SDA camp. Are you back to SDA ku church? Are you back at the Christian pulpits? Or no, what's really happening?
The church chased me away.
Mm.
And the first few years I was a bit bitter. Because it formed almost my formative years of more than 33 years. The infancy, pathfinders, master guide. That's all I knew. And when the same system that brought you up chases you away from itself, it didn't sit down well. But in my maturity, I go back, I visit. A good percentage of those people and young people that are there, I actually put them there. And I think it's what I call psychological responsibility, where I go back and show face, greet, meet, and do 2, 3, 4 discussions I have on the corridor. Oh, Dara, we want you back, please come back, your place is still there, come and preach, and etc. And I always wonder, even when I was preaching, did you hear me? Because the last sermon I preached, I said, this is not a man you're looking for. Come, and I'll show you the man you're looking for. No one has come here to ask me that question. So where is the man that we are talking about? Oh, yes, I went to camp. My brothers are there, my sisters are there, my uncles are there, my business partners are there. And I went, I showed my face and greeted them.
But if the powers that be in SDA, they call you back or invite you back, are you going to come back? And if you are you going to adhere to the rules, regulations, code of conduct of SDA as a church?
Unfortunately, you're talking to a person who knows the church in and out, from my grandfather to my father to me. That day will never come. So don't even fantasize. It will not happen. The church is so stubborn that even after they've produced a person like me, from primary school to high school to college to university, you produce a person like Maponga, but still you can't trust your product.
Yes.
What makes you think that they'll come back to redeem me? Actually, they are happier to say, we will make more like you. We have nothing to do with you, so don't even bother yourself. That day will never come. So I don't even have to apply my mind
on that. And the day will never come. Maybe in the Bible there's the story of the prodigal son. In the end, he came back.
What if the church is prodigal and I'm not the one who's prodigal?
Yeah.
You ever thought about that way?
Yeah.
The church of Laodicea, behold, 3:20 of Revelation. I stand at the door and I'm knocking. And if any man hears my voice and opens the door, I'll come in and sup with them. The SDA believes that they are the church of Laodicea. And if you are the church of Laodicea, then 3:20 of Revelation is a rebuke that you are inside. Doors are closed. The man you are supposed to be preaching about is at the door, knocking. So I have a question for the Adventist church. Who are you busy with inside? Because the owner of this church is standing at the door and knocking. Until maybe we begin to deal with what is the preoccupation of the religious organization versus the principle of the person who set them into being. So why are you busy with a closed door when the owner of the church is outside of the door?
Yes.
So if Jesus says in Revelation 3:20, I stand at the door and I'm knocking, I have a question for the Adventist church that believes actually that they are the remnant church. Who are you busy with inside? Because the owner of time says in the Revelation 3:20, I am standing at the door and I am knocking.
But let's forget about the SDA as a church. Do you still keep the Sabbath?
Sabbath was made for men and not men for the Sabbath. I don't need to keep the Sabbath. The Sabbath keeps me.
So on Saturday, you can go to work.
I don't go to work. I do things that are profitable for human and societal benefit. That's why Jesus went healing on Sabbath. That's why Jesus walked on Sabbath. That's why the disciples put out grain on Sabbath.
Yeah.
And when the people asked, why are you doing this thing on the Sabbath? He said, it is good to do what is good on Sabbath. So I can take my Sabbaths
Yes.
and spend them on doing what
is good. Just like any other day.
No.
Yeah.
It's a special day.
Yeah.
But I specifically focus on the activities that I do. Are they for the benefit of humanity?
Ska Bishop, you are still keeping the Sabbath.
No, the Sabbath keeps me.
All right, the Sabbath is still keeping you.
In terms of managing my mental framework and giving me knowledge base of what is it that I can do to enhance, improve other people's lives.